Alright, good day mga amigos, and this video is a continuation of my previous video, Makina Moto Bazaar 2024 and test ride. So today's vlog, we're gonna wrap this up, those motorcycles that I've been checked, tried and tested. But before we begin on this video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos and press that notification bell so that you will get notified and updated for my next videos. So without further ado, let's jump on it on the first motorcycle that I've checked. Alright, so let's begin with the latest motorcycle that was just recently launched last week or 2 weeks yata. Yeah, the CF Moto 500 Boom SR. It's such a good looking bike. Every inch of it is panalo, perfect para sa akin. Sobrang ganda, sobrang astig, as in talagang head turner in the thing and everything is nasa kanya na. But unfortunately, this motorcycle is for display only. We cannot test it right. But still, this motorcycle is panalo pa rin. There's nothing I can say against with this motorcycle. It's on my bucket list, kaya ipon-ipon tayo for this one. And for the price point of 383,900, you can bring home this Neo Retro Sports Bike 4-cylinder na CF Moto, the Boom 500 SR. Alright, so next on our list is another Neo Retro, but it's a scrambler type of motorcycle ng Honda, the CL500. Alright, so this motorcycle comes with a standard set of chassis components that share similarities with the Rebel 500. The frame is mostly the same, except for the subframe and the suspension setup. It has a wheel set design specifically for scrambler. Now, if you look at the exhaust of this CL500, Brusco, as in ang laki talaga at sobrang pansinin nung muffler na to, no? Yan yung pagkakaiba niya sa Rebel 500 kasi ito nasa may taas. And despite its scrambler styling, the CL500 remains a user-friendly motorcycle, suitable for beginners like me. And the seat height is 790mm and I'm 5'8", 173 cm, so lapat yung dalawang pa ako. With a ground clearance of 155mm, so it's an above average. Alright, so test ride na natin itong Brusco Guapito na CL500. Tatry na natin to. Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige sir, salamat. Alright, so try natin CL500. Alright mga amigos, so this is the moment of truth. We're gonna try this motorcycle. Let's see. 1 down, 5 up. Ako po, kung namatay pa. Okay. One down, 5 up. Huh? Ba't ganun? Mamatayan ako ah. Namamatayan ako? Alin? Okay. Sige. Ayan, okay na. Kaya pala, hindi nakasagad yung ano. Pag hindi nakasagad yung side stand, meron pala siyang side stand indicator. So pag hindi nakasagad, anong nangyayari? Hindi siya under. Alright. So ang daming tao mga amigos, oh. Tingnan mo. So this is the first time I tried this CL500, so okay. Kaya lang sabi niya sa akin, bawal daw ihataw or ano, at least na-experience ko lang. Tingin sa kaliwa. So mga dalawang ikot. Yeah. At least na-try ko to, no? Sarap sa pakiramdam. Okay to ah. No, primera nga lang to eh. Naka-primera lang ako mga amigos, still parang masyadong maiksi kasi. Pero primero pa lang umahataw na. Yan, segunda.
Bitin yung ano, course. Anyway, libre na nga to eh. Ba't nagreklamo ka pa? Yan, segunda. Eh, makapit din yung ano, rear brake. Segunda lang tayo mga amigo, segunda lang tayo. Yan, okay din. Okay, okay, panalo. So, hindi na siguro ako papasok dun sa pinakaloob kasi it's parang hindi ko pa, pero tatry ko pa rin. Let's see. Dun, ikot dun. Primero ulit. Yan, pumasok tayo.
What?
Segunda. Back to Primera. Masayad lang to eh. Alright, ako Primera tayo. So, ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam pag nagda-drive ng malaking motor. Alam mo yun?
Woo!
First time. No, muntik pa ako matumba.
Oh shit!
Sorry.
Oh no!
Ay, nako. Ang hirap. You have to follow the rules. But, great experience to. At least natututo tayo. Ayun yung Benda Chinsilio. Alam niyo mga amigos, yung Boom SR sana gusto ko i-try but hindi daw siya for test ride. So, kung picture-picture lang siya. Kaya yan. Diba, ang ganda rin. But anyway, dito muna tayo sa CL500. Kaya isa to sa mga choices ko ngayon. This bike is great. Primera, neutral. Madali lang pala, ano? So, unang andar mo, medyo makakapa ka. But pag nagano, madali lang, eh. Oh. So, yung kanina, safety features pala yon na pag nakababa yung side stand, hindi siya under. So, ngayon alam ko na. Alright. So, neutral. Madali lang. Madali naman ako maka-adapt. Kaya okay. Kala ko sa side yung ano mo. Hindi naman pala eh, no? Malayo. Pag dito mo po, ayos. Saka wala ring IV effect na mararamdaman. Dami, no? Naunahan ko po tuloy si Sir.
Oh hell no!
Ganun lang, Sir? 8. Tas, okay. O, try natin tong 8. So, medyo, ito kailangan may expertise dito eh. Kung YTX to, madali lang eh. So, syempre, this one is 500. Pero magkano lang, oh. 2,000. Bagal. Is my experience, di ba? Okay, labas na ako. Para matry naman yung iba. Tapos okay na. Last round, then exit. Then let's say another motorcycle naman. Gusto ko i-try yung Kawasaki Eliminator. Primera, segunda lang. Hindi na lang naka-tresera. Hindi ubra. No, 15 kilometers per hour ang takbo. After the Eliminator, try natin adventure naman. But this one is scrambler kasi. Yeah, but it's a great feeling. Para sa akin, panalo. It's a great experience para sa isang newbie rider na nagbabalak bumili ng big bike. This one is great. Alright. Nice. Balik na natin sa Honda and then next is Eliminator tayo. Panalo, panalo. Oo. Mandali ko na gamay. Oo. Tapos tatay kay Eliminator din. Kasi ano, yun yung mga choices. Dilapas. Oo. Sige sir. Thank you. Okay ma'am.
Alright mga amigos, so yan po ang ating experience and my impressions sa CL500, no? It's a great experience for me. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa motor nito at panalo to, and it's on my bucket list also. And for the price of 409,000 pesos ay pwede nyo na pong may uwi itong napakagandang scrambler type na motor na Honda, the CL500. Take note, meron po silang promo for this month up until December. So for its original price na 409,000 pesos ay mabibili nyo lang po ito for this month starting today hanggang December. Magiging 359,000 pesos na po siya. So laki ng discount, di ba? Panalo. Kaya ako sa inyo mga riders, if you have ipon na, i-grab nyo na po itong opportunity at kunin nyo na itong Honda CL Scrambler Type 500cc na motor ng Honda.